Kenya's interior design sector is fast growing, and this has been attributed by the robust expansion of the country's real estate sector. On the entrepreneurs segment, we caught up with George Washington, an interior designer who's focusing on both corporate and retail segments. Here's Elayne Wangalwa with more of that.
Kenya's real estate sector continues to register impressive growth, and statistics indicate that the sector has far outpaced returns from the stock market. Aligned to this growth is the need for quality and immaculate interior finishes. George Washington Karwani is one investor who is cashing in on the sector with Envision's Concepts Limited.
Envision Concepts basically is there to create better environments, especially for the workplace. When I talk about workplace, I'm talking about corporate areas, that these are offices. I'm also talking about malls, interiors, a place where people go to shop, whether it's clothes, whatever, as long as you're going to shop something. That's why we say we specialize mainly in corporate interiors and retail interiors in that particular area.
The firm was born out of passion.
Your hobby and your passion should be that particular thing that pays you at the end of it all. Yeah, like I used to work for some other companies before, interior design companies. I had the skill and I still have the skill. So at one point, I'll just say, like I did a project for my boss, and it was about 6 million in about 1 month. At the end of it all, I received a check of 18,000 shillings. And then at some point I was like, I'm the one with the skill. The only thing I lack is capital. But what is this thing that I need to start myself off? And I realized I only needed a laptop to start drawing and showcase to people what I can do.
With an average of 3 projects monthly, Envision has faced its fair share of challenges.
Most clients, especially in our industry, they want to see what you've done before. And that was a major challenge for me, because I wouldn't show them anything. I will just tell them, please trust me, I will do something for you. At some point, I had to just take them to some of the projects we had done with my former bosses. But I will tell them I was the designer and the project manager, but then I was working with this particular company.
3 years on, the firm has found a solid footing, and George is literally smiling all the way to the bank thanks to a boom in business and market referrals by satisfied clients.
We are ranging at 17 to 18 million right now, and we are still growing. And we are really trying to do market, because right now, as I can assure you, most of the projects we are doing, it's because of referrals that we are getting from the clients we've done before. Others are repeat clients because they liked what we did. But we are at 17, we are playing at 17 and 18 million as a young company.
And with the growth of the company, George has presented an opportunity to Kenyans interested in this field.
When it comes to our workforce, the ones on full-time, because we need technical guys to be on full-time. We have project managers. So currently we are working a total of 5, since we are still a growing company. We are just headed to 3 years. Yeah, and when it comes to the laborers on contract, currently we are at 30. Also dependent on the particular project that we are looking for. Sometimes we go beyond that number, because we are looking at electricians, we are looking at painters, fabricators, carpenters, and all those people.
Guided by passion to transform a hobby into profits, George has a word of advice to budding entrepreneurs.
Passion does not follow money. Money follows passion. So if you're passionate about something, whether you feel like you're failing or not, as long as it's your passion, you will not say, I'm not doing this anything anymore. That means you will not quit, because this is what drives me.